Hi, my name is Randy Pagnon, President and owner of RP Visual Solutions, and going to have a little bit of a conversation with you here today on showing this very unique display system that we're going to be co-hosting at an upcoming trade show with a company called Primate Technologies. This display wall that you see behind us is actually a host of different technologies, all now that can be utilized in 24/7 applications. This is primarily two network operation control centers where you're remotely monitoring an asset from afar using a visual display. And what's unique here is, thanks to Primate, we're showing basically the same type of content on a host of different technologies. So in traditional control rooms, you would have saw static mosaic tile boards. And what you'll see here now on the far left of our display is you'll actually see a display where the static imagery is actually static image. It's static high voltage lines, low voltage lines, and only the digital content is being projected. Traditionally, people would not consider projection into a control room because of cost of maintenance. So we're very pleased and excited that we're going to be showing a laser phosphor projector. Lots of projector manufacturers are coming out with that. And what does laser phosphor mean to you? It now means you can put that in a control room. Laser phosphor has a minimum of 20,000 hours. Some manufacturers are claiming in excess of 50,000 hours. So on the far left, we have, as I said, an example of static and digital combined from a laser phosphor projector that's not going to need any maintenance or minimal maintenance for at least 3 years. What also is we're showing is a very exciting screen technology from DNP. Dai Nippon is the world leader in optical screen technology, and in Videowalls, when you have traditional cubes, they make the majority of screens out there in the world. All the major players such as Barco, Mitsubishi, Planar, Christie, they all get screens from DNP and they rebrand those. Well, that same optical rear screen technology that you see actually in this display technology here is now available in front projection called Supernova because it has optical light rejecting properties. So right now this is very high ambient light, yet the imagery that you see on the screen is looking very good. So you can work with your display consultant, which we offer display consulting services for, figure out how much light you have over how much of an area. What you see us projecting here is a very unique size. We're projecting a 46-inch high image. And we've taken that 46-inch high image and we're showing the same graphics on projection technology, flat panel LCD technology, mini cube rear projection cube screen technology, and last on the left here, the very new and exciting direct view LED. RP Visuals is very uniquely qualified because we mount all of these displays. We've done the largest Supernova Infinity control room in North America, which is Vandenberg missile launch. That's very large. We're installing currently for Southern California Edison 21 control rooms, totaling over 600 panels from Mitsubishi, and again what we solve for there is front service access. We've done the largest Christie microtile room in the world. New York Police Department has 1,190 microtiles. These are very high resolution, and we're pleased to announce and share with you that we're going to be installing the largest direct view LED wall at Southern California Edison. And again, I want to take this opportunity because in conjunction with Primate, we've never had the opportunity to actually show the same graphics for a very user-specific network operation control centers over the different displays. The other thing I want to make you aware of is there is no bad display behind me. Okay, there is bad applications of display. If we simply toggle the lights in this room right now, you'll see a significant difference of the performance of the images behind me. So when I bring the lights down like this, all of the images look pretty darn good, but when you start to introduce ambient light at different levels of ambient light, you'll see different reactions behind us. But what I want to make sure you understand that if it's applied properly, if the technology is applied properly, it will look very good. So what's really important? If you take an eye chart, you know, and I usually have my eye chart in this facility. If you take an eye chart, the operators have to read this to monitor their assets properly. And in conjunction with a human factor specialist for the display sizing, it's really important that your content folks, and again, in this case we're using Primate, work with you that you can control your network from this. Again, none of these displays are bad or good. They're applied properly or improperly. We have set this display up behind us right now that the most economical display system is on the left using front projection with DNP Supernova optical screens. Then we have the flat panels, which is the next most economical. Then we have cube technology, and then we have the very high resolution 1.5 millimeter direct view LED. When you design your room, when you service your room, there is no secret of Videowalls. You have to service it. You have to be able to get behind it. You have to be able to maintain it. They are electronic devices. They need to be positioned properly. The sill height has to be right. It has to be over the operators, but it has to be maintainable, upgradable, and serve the purpose that you need. This is a quick overview of technologies because we want to take this opportunity to share with you. We're very excited with this. This is www.rpvisuals.com. You can check us out, and we're also exhibiting at a show called DistribuTECH February 3rd, 4th, 5th, where you can also see this and find out more. Hope you enjoyed this, and thank you very much.